Today I want to share with you a very delicious Poblano chili with shrimp that I know you guys are going to love. Very creamy, very delicious. And I want to get started. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. My ingredients: corn, sour cream, chicken bouillon, black pepper, half an onion, poblano chilies, shrimp, and vegetable oil. This is everything we need to make this delicious dish. So let's get started and let's enjoy it at home like I enjoy it here with my family. I want to start here with my poblano chilies. I'm going to go ahead and put them right on the top of the fire because I want them nice and roasted. I want to make sure that all the skin really gets really nice and roasted. And this really doesn't take too long, maybe 3 to 4 minutes. When you start seeing all your chile poblanos getting nice and roasted from both sides and all the green is almost gone, then you know that they are completely ready. Look at this one. This one is roasted completely. All the skin is nice and charred. And now I'm going to transfer it to this baggie I have here. It's going to go into a sauna because I want the skin to really get so soft that I can remove it easily. And I am done with the 3 poblano chilies. I'm going to go ahead, close this baggie, and just put them aside. Just like that until I'm ready to start taking the skin off. And here I have my onion and I'm just using 1/4 of this onion. I'm going to go ahead and just pull it apart because the onion really gives a delicious flavor to the cream, to the sauce that we're going to make for this recipe. I have my shrimp here. I'm going to go ahead and rinse them through running water. The shrimp have no skin and they are deveined. So I'm just going to rinse them really good. And look at this. They don't have the little vein in the back. The skin is completely off. I already bought them like that. Okay, these are done. Let me put them aside. And let me continue with my chile poblanos. They're still nice and hot. But yet, they were in this little baggie in a sauna. And the skin is very easily to remove. Look at this. You just put your fingers in between and start pulling apart and the skin comes out perfectly. As you could see, they're still nice and hot, but not too hot where you're burning yourself. So I'm just going to go ahead and take the skin completely off. Look at this. Look how beautiful this chile poblano looks. I am going to continue with the rest of the chilies. I'm going to remove the seeds. Look at this. I remove the seeds, I remove the skin, and now I am ready to start slicing them, making the little strips of the chile poblano. And I like to cut it this way so the chile poblano strips are not too long. We don't want the chile poblano chilies to be too long, so that's why I just cut them in half. And now I am completely done. And let me show you how big they are. Of course, that if you want them thinner, if you want them little pieces, that's really your choice. Here, I'm going to transfer it to this plate. And let's go to the stove and start making this delicious dish. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. And to this, I'm going to add the onion first. I want the onion to get nice and translucent. When it starts releasing the aroma of the onion, then I am ready to add the shrimp. You want to make sure that you add the shrimp, but don't overcook it. At this moment, I'm adding my black pepper, and I'm going to add my chicken bouillon. And I'm only adding, remember, chicken bouillon is to taste. If you don't want chicken bouillon, you could just add regular salt. The salt and chicken bouillon is to taste. Look at this. It's already nice and boiling. The shrimp release all the liquids. And remember, don't overcook your shrimp. When the shrimp starts getting light pink, just like that, it's still not cooked all the way. This is the time when I'm going to start adding my corn. I'm going to incorporate the corn completely into the shrimp. And I'm going to add the sour cream. Let's incorporate the sour cream completely until everything is nice and covered with the sour cream. It's already starting to bubble up, but let's taste it. Okay, to my tasting, this is fine. I don't need to add anything else. When it starts bubbling just like this, the shrimp really starts cooking now. And once they start turning pink, then that's the time when we're going to go ahead and add our chile poblanos. Look at this. All the shrimp is nice and pink. And now I'm going to add all the chile poblano. The chile poblano, it's not a spicy chili, but it has a really delicious flavor. The flavor is going to really, give such a delicious flavor to this delicious sauce. Well, here I'm just going to incorporate it and cook it just for about 2 to 3 more minutes. We don't want to overcook the chiles poblanos or the shrimp. And once it's everything nice and incorporated, let me show you from close up so that you could see that the shrimp is completely cooked. Look at this. They are nice and pink. You could see all the delicious cream and the chiles poblanos. Well, this is completely done. I am ready to prepare my plate. I can't wait to enjoy it. I already made the garlic rice, white rice. And this is what I'm gonna enjoy this delicious chile poblano shrimp with this delicious garlic rice. And of course, the rice you are already have it on my channel. Look at this. This looks amazing and it smells delicious. I am ready for the presentation. I can't wait to taste. My friends, I am completely done with this delicious poblano chili and shrimp. I am ready to taste. You know something? I added the honeydew lemonade that of course you already have on my channel. Let's see how this came out. It's so creamy. And you know something? To do this dish, I added white rice. Garlic white rice. Let me stop talking and let me try this. Excuse me. This really came out amazing. The flavor of the shrimp is so penetrated in the cream. This just came out delicious. Excuse me. And combined with this honeydew lemonade that of course you guys already have on my channel, perfection. I hope my friends you could give it a try. Enjoy it with your family like I enjoy it here with my family. If you liked and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share my video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make a delicious recipe, yes, you are going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. And remember, like, share, and subscribe. See you on my next delicious recipe. Bye-bye.